One day there were 1, 2, 3, 4 Jacks, and they all decided to go and rob a bank. So they all went to the bank, and then they were there. And then while they were robbing the bank, they heard police cars. So the leader said, right, you take the middle, you take the bottom, and you just go above them both. So they said, so then he said, and when the police have gone, I'll jump 3 times. So when the police have gone, he jumped 3 times. And then they all came up one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4.